am Valerie Romanoff. This is my sound check. So excited to be part of the HeartH Festival. Broadcast from Sedona, Arizona. I'm in New York right now, but I'll be streaming in live. I'm gonna do some music, some still, chill, thrill. Still music for meditation, chill music for activation, mindfulness, prayers, and thrill music for celebration, just sending all of our positive energy out into the world to help uplift our world and ourselves. But first, I like to get still and peaceful and try to connect up, have a few moments of reflection, a few moments of going inner, going inward. And then from there, raising up vibrations of peace and love.